It's the second day of testimony in the trial of Issiah Ross. He is charged with killing 14-year-old Lyric Woods and 18-year-old Devin Clark in September 2022. The morning started on a difficult note as jurors heard from the Associate Chief Medical Examiner about the victim's injuries. WRAL senior reporter Megan Cloherty is monitoring this trial. Megan, we learned Lyric Woods was shot at close range.
We did. We learned that Woods was shot in the neck. And while we're not going into detail here, her family did hear those details in the courtroom this morning, shedding tears as the Associate Medical Examiner explained her injuries. Woods' body was found alongside Devin Clark's body by ATV riders in a wooded area near Mebane, a day after prosecutors say that Issiah Ross shot and killed them. Yesterday, his defense attorney said Ross acted in self-defense in shooting Devin Clark and that it was Clark who killed Lyric Woods. This morning, Associate State Medical Examiner Lauren Scott says the way that she can tell Woods was shot at close range is because she had burn marks on her face from the gunpowder that comes from a gun when it's fired. The medical examiner says Clark was shot 6 times and Woods was shot 7 times. Then she was asked how long Woods would have lived after suffering those injuries.
Anticipate that she would have at least lost consciousness within several minutes after the injuries, possibly sooner, and that she likely also would have died within several minutes.
Photos of those injuries are not being shown on the big screen in the courtroom where most evidence is usually presented. So the district attorney is showing printed photos of the injuries to jurors. And because family members are understandably having a hard time with this evidence, Judge Stephanie Reese asked that they step out if they're emotional. The judge emphasized that no family member is expected to be tough through this kind of testimony, but she needs the jury to focus on the evidence at hand. We'll, of course, continue to follow this case. You can stream it live on WRAL.com.